Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to use Instagram in China. Since Instagram is blocked in China due to the Great Firewall, the only way to access it is by using a VPN. Make sure to check the link in the description to get started with a VPN. If you try to access Instagram in China without a VPN, you will notice that the website and app are completely blocked. To bypass this restriction, you'll need a VPN that works reliably in China. For this video, I recommend using NordVPN, which is one of the most effective options for accessing blocked websites and apps. You'll find a link in the description to create your NordVPN account. Once you've created your account, download the NordVPN app on your device. The app is available for Windows, macOS, iPhones, and Android devices, so you can follow the same process on any platform. After installation, log in with your credentials. Next, open the app and select a server location. Based on experience, connecting to servers in the United States or Hong Kong works best for accessing Instagram in China. Click on the location list, choose a server in one of these regions, and wait for the VPN to connect. Once the connection is established, your internet traffic will be rerouted through the selected server, bypassing the restrictions in China. Now, go back to your browser or open the Instagram app. Refresh the page or log in, and you'll see that Instagram is now accessible. This method works the same for both computers and mobile devices. If you encounter any connection issues, try switching to a different server or clearing your app's cache. In most cases, NordVPN should connect quickly and allow you to browse Instagram without any problems. That's it. Make sure to check the link in the description for NordVPN to get started.